It's nice seeing you once again on my channel. So let's go straight to the business. And if this is your first time of watching my video, please click on that subscription button. We are in for serious business on statistics. So we'll update you with the subsequent videos. I have it at the back of your mind that as you are watching this thing, I love you. And click on that like button and share to your friends. Thank you. Now, today we want to talk about standard deviation. This is a question of standard deviation. So for the distribution, for the following distribution, calculate the variance and the standard deviation. Two things. One, the variance. Two, the standard deviation. Now, how do we go about it? Remember from the previous video, we discussed the formula for mean deviation, how to find the variance, and the formula for standard deviation. But first of all, let us take this data into consideration because that's the question given to us. Now what do? Remember this data, they don't have the frequency. So what do? We are going to sum each of the data together. So it's going to be 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 9. Step 1, sorry. The first step, yes, is adding up all the data together because it has no frequency. So each of the numbers can be added together. So all over, what is the total number? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All over 6. Adding up this data divided by the total number gives us the mean. As the mean, at this point, I can say x over n, or we can say sum of x over n. Yes, sum of x over n. So this is the x, which is the data, and n is the total number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 6, that's 13, plus 7, that's 20, plus 7, that is 27, plus 9, that is 36, yes. Or let's be sure. 2 plus 5, 7, plus 6, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, 27, 27 plus 3, that is 30, plus 6, that is 36. Yeah, we're having 36 divided by 6 to give us 6. So our mean, which is sum of the number all over the number, is equal to 6. Now, the next thing to do is to find the deviation. Remember, our target is, first of all, we look for the variance. The deviation simply means the way with which the numbers are deviating from the mean. So remember the formula for our deviation, d is equal to x minus the mean. Now if we were that we've gotten our mean as 6, so the deviation for each of the number is going to be 2 minus 6, which is the mean, plus 5 minus the mean, which is 6, plus this 6 again, minus the mean, plus 7 minus the mean, plus 7 minus the mean, plus 9 minus the mean. So let's call this step 2. Step 2. Yeah. Step 2 is finding deviation. So 2 minus 6, of course, it will give us minus 4. Square. Yes, because to find the deviation, we have to, after the deviation, we square it. Or let's remove the square so that we won't be confused. 2 minus 6 will give us minus 4. Then plus 5 minus 6 minus 1. Plus 6 minus 6 is 0. Plus 7 minus 6 will give us 1. Plus 1. Plus 9 minus 6 will give us 3. So the next thing is to find step 3 is to find the square of the deviation, that is x minus mean or square. So let's put square on all the figures of the deviation we got. Square. So step the value for this answer, minus 4 square will give us 16, plus 1 will give us 1, plus 0, plus 1, plus square this 1 to give us 1. 3 square will give us 9. So by the time we add up all the numbers, it's going to be sum of deviation, or we can simply say sum of x minus mean all square. Sum of deviation. So it's going to be 16 plus 4 plus 0 plus 16 plus 1 is going to give us 17, plus 1 again is going to give us 18, plus 1 again is going to give us 19, plus 9 is going to give us 28. So at the end of the sum of the deviation square is equal to 28. So what is our n? Our n is the total number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 6. So what's the formula for mean deviation? If you can see watch our previous video, you will recall that our variance is equal to square of our mean deviation, which is sum of into bracket x minus mean square, mean all square, all over n. So what is the sum now? The sum now is this. We got 28. What is our n? Our n is equal to 6. So variance, we can say variance, which is equal to sum of deviation square, all square, over the n. So what is sum of our deviation square? We got 28. So it's got 28 over, what is our n? N is 6. So variance is equal to 28 divided by 6. Yeah, 28 divided by 6. 28 divided by 6 to give us 4.66. Yeah, 4.66 or 4.7, approximately 4.7. So the variance is 4.7. So what is the standard deviation? Remember, standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So standard deviation, let me write standard deviation as SD is equal to square root of variance. So standard deviation is the square root of variance. What is our variance? Our variance is 4.6. So standard deviation is equal to square root of 4.7. Yeah. Now, the standard deviation is going to be, find the square root of 4.7. It's going to be 4 square root of 4.7 give us 2.16. So the standard deviation is 2.16. So approximately 2.2. So the value for our variance from the question is 4.6. The value for the standard deviation from the question is 2.2. So it's very simple. I hope you enjoy the simple calculation. Please don't forget to click on the like button and the subscription button as well. Place your comments on the places, the comment box, and let us know if you have any challenge in the steps so that we can update you. Thank you very much. I really love you guys. See you and have a wonderful day. Bye.